For more than 15 years, Plywood has been developing fire-retardant plywood for the most demanding applications in construction, rail, and road transport and public spaces. Behind every board stands not just technology, but a multi-layered quality assurance system designed to ensure safety, consistency, and certified performance. Quality is not something we check at the end. It is built into the process from the very beginning. All incoming materials are subject to strict verification procedures, ensuring that only approved components enter production. Production takes place under controlled conditions, where every stage is defined by internal standards, procedures, and continuous monitoring. Operators work with clearly defined parameters, supported by digital systems that help monitor key process indicators. At selected stages of production, critical control points are implemented to verify consistency, material behavior, and process accuracy. At these points, samples are regularly taken and evaluated to ensure that the product meets internal specifications before moving forward. Ensuring repeatability is key to reliable fire performance. That is why production parameters are continuously monitored, and any deviation, even minor, is immediately identified and corrected. This approach guarantees that every board performs consistently, regardless of when or where it was produced. Quality control is not limited to the production line. Plywood operates its own research and development and testing facilities, where products are regularly verified against internal standards and performance criteria. Testing is conducted on a continuous basis, following predefined sampling plans integrated into the manufacturing workflow. To ensure full reliability, product performance is also verified by independent external laboratories. This dual validation system, internal and external, provides additional assurance that declared properties are consistently achieved. Fire performance is not assumed, it is measured. Key parameters such as heat release, smoke production, and flame behavior are tested in accordance with European standards. Performance is verified regularly, not only during certification, but throughout ongoing production. The results confirm that Plywood fire-retardant plywood meets the highest safety classification for wood-based materials. Each product is delivered with documented performance and supported by a system that ensures its properties remain consistent over time. Plywood supports its partners not only with certified materials, but also with clear instructions to maintain their performance throughout the life cycle. Clear handling guidelines are part of responsible product use and maintaining declared performance. Our fire-retardant plywood is used wherever safety cannot be compromised, in public buildings, transport systems, and demanding architectural applications. Plywood offers one of the most comprehensive portfolios of fire-retardant plywood on the market. The range includes solutions based on softwood, birch, and beech, designed for different applications, from lightweight panels and prefabrication through flooring systems to demanding transport and interior projects. This diversity allows designers, engineers, and contractors to select the right solution without compromising on safety. At Plywood, fire safety is engineered through control, verification, and experience. Every board reflects a system designed to deliver consistent, reliable performance where it matters most.